Have you ever wondered what happens to that delicious slice of pizza or juicy burger after you take the first bite? It not just disappearing it. It's embarking on an incredible journey through one of your body's most amazing systems. Let's dive in and follow the food. Imagine your body as a super advanced machine, and your digestive system is the brilliant processing line that powers it all. This journey begins the moment food enters your mouth. Your teeth are the first workers on the line, grinding that burger and bun into smaller, more manageable pieces. At the same time, your salivary glands release saliva, which isn't just water. It contains special enzymes that immediately start breaking down the carbohydrates in the bread. Once you swallow, the food doesn't just drop down. It travels through a muscular tube called the esophagus. Think of it like a controlled water slide, where wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis gently push the food down towards your stomach. It's a smooth and coordinated movement, ensuring everything goes in the right direction. Now, we arrive at the stomach, a powerful mixing chamber. Picture that food dropping in. Here, strong stomach acids and powerful enzymes get to work, creating a churning, acidic environment. These juices are especially good at breaking down proteins, like the cheese and meat from your meal. The stomach contracts and relaxes, mixing everything into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. It's like a biological blender, preparing the food for the next and most important stage of digestion. After a few hours, the stomach slowly releases the chyme into the small intestine. This long, coiled tube is where the real magic happens. It might be called small, but it's incredibly long, and is the main site for digestion and nutrient absorption. As the chyme enters, it's met by a team of reinforcements. The pancreas sends in a flood of enzymes to break down fats, proteins, and carbs even further. Meanwhile, the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released to tackle the fats, breaking them down into tiny droplets. Let's visualize this. The fats from the burger are broken down into fatty acids. The sugars from the pizza crust are turned into simple glucose, and the proteins from the cheese and meat are transformed into amino acids. These are the tiny, essential building blocks your body craves. The walls of the small intestine are lined with millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which dramatically increase the surface area for absorption. These microscopic nutrients pass through the intestinal walls and directly into your bloodstream. From here, it's like a superhighway delivery service. The bloodstream carries these nutrients to every single cell in your body. Glucose provides instant energy for your brain and muscles. Amino acids are used to repair tissues and build new proteins. And fatty acids are vital for hormone production and storing energy. Every part of you, from your beating heart to your thinking brain, gets the fuel it needs to function. But what about the parts of the food that couldn't be broken down? The journey isn't over yet. The leftovers, mostly fiber and water, move into the large intestine. The main job here is to absorb most of the remaining water, turning the liquid waste into a more solid form. The large intestine is also home to trillions of friendly gut bacteria. This gut microbiome is incredibly important. These bacteria help break down some of the remaining indigestible fibers, produce essential vitamins like vitamin K, and play a huge role in supporting your immune system. Finally, what's left is waste that the body cannot use. It is stored in the last part of the large intestine until your body is ready to eliminate it. This entire process, from the first bite to the final exit, can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. It's a silent, efficient, and continuous process that happens every single day, without you even having to think about it. So, how can you help this amazing system work at its best? It's simply eating balanced meals with plenty of fiber from fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated by drinking enough water, and avoiding overeating can keep your digestive processing line running smoothly. A happy gut means better energy levels, a stronger immune system, and a healthier you overall. Isn't the human body incredible? Thanks for joining me on this digestive journey. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing insights into how your body works. See you next time.